Hello everyone, good morning. This is Dinesh here. Welcome again to my channel. And today I'm going to show you one of the opportunity which my participants were able to actually use it and was able to make good amount of profit from that. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is the charts, okay, of that particular company and how we analyzed it and what was the opportunity and why it was having a very good opportunity and what was the profit potential from it. Okay, ready to learn some new concepts? Let's go to the charts. So the company that we are going to look at is Aster DM Healthcare. Okay, so in this company, right, recently, if you see, we were able to identify opportunities, or we were waiting for the opportunity on this one. Okay, so let me draw a trend line here. Okay, this was a trend line which was acting as a resistance, and this was a trend line which was acting as a support. Okay, so we are cautiously waiting for an opportunity, and we see exactly at this particular candle, the last candle which I'm showing you here. Okay, let me highlight it. Okay, so the last candle, okay, this one give a breakout, okay, with a strong bullishness, okay, big green candle, strong bullishness and a good volume as well. Okay, and we were able to take the trade, and after that, see the amount of opportunity is still overall it is in the uptrend. Okay, and so far, okay, how much profit potential or profit it has given already. Okay, so 176, say 176, 175, 176 is the price at which we are trying to buy it, and if you take till here, forget about here, till here 214. Okay, 175 minus say 215. Okay, almost like 25, 35, 45. Okay, 40 points, right? 40 points is the price movement, and 17 rupees is 10%. 40 points price movement is almost like 20 plus percentage. Okay, 20 plus percentage is the profit potential that this company was having, and few of the participants were able to actually make it. I'll be showing you some of the screenshots as well. Okay, so 20 plus percentage profit in one single trade. Okay, and how many days did we take? Okay, say how many days it took in order to actually give that profit potential. From 17th August till 30th August. Okay, 17th August to 30th, I think you are able to see the dates below, right? From 17th August to 30th August. Okay, within like 13 days, okay, 13 days. If you take off the weekends, it will go another 4 days is gone. So say take 13 days. 13 days is what it took in order to actually give us 20%. If you exactly calculate the number of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days, 8 trading days is what it took in order to give us 20 plus percentage in one single trade. Okay, so that's the kind of profit potential we are talking about. Okay, so this is on Aster DM. Guys, when you are actually looking at some of the high volatile stocks, okay, when we have been watching a lot of companies, and there are high volatile stocks, low volatile stocks as well, medium volatile. Okay, when you take it for granted that if the volatility is high, those companies will give you very good movements. Okay, and that is where you will be able to make quick profits within a very short period of time. But those companies, when it is actually going the upward direction, it can also go in the opposite direction. The risk is also high. When the volatility is high, the risk is also high. Okay, which we have to take into account. Okay, don't always focus on the profits alone and forget about the risk, because majority of the people are losing money because they are not focusing on managing the risk, which is the first and foremost priority as a trader. So focus on the risk that is involved in every single trade and then go for the trade. Okay, if the risk is high, if you feel that the risk is high and you will not be able to bear it, don't go for that trade. It's fine losing an opportunity, it's fine missing an opportunity, but make sure that the risk is within your limits. Okay, only then you're going to go and take the trade. Okay, so hope you understood the concept here. Hope you understood the concepts and how we took the trade here. I'll be coming up with more videos. Okay, till then, take care, stay safe, and have a great day. Bye bye.